Hi everyone, this is a short tutorial on the replyable feature for two-way SMS in send mode. So a lot of people use two-way SMS, for example, to confirm attendances at events, and this is how you do it with send mode. This is the send SMS screen, and when you choose who you wish the message to be sent to, in the center here we have our sender name. In the sender name drop down, you'll have a list of all the sender names you'll have set up, but you'll also have the option to choose replyable. So what this does is it sends out the message using a mobile phone number which is dynamically assigned. In part 2 of this tutorial, we'll show you a phone which has received a replyable message. So you choose replyable and then you enter in your content, such as are you free for the event on such and such a night, or can you confirm your attendance, and then you send the message. So when people receive the message, they will then reply to the message, which will come into your customer replies section. So this is in messaging and customer replies. So this will typically be filled up with a number of replies from your customers. You can then export this. You can search for and find individual replies, but you can also go back a number of weeks or months, and you can export the replies from over a various time period. There's also a setting here which allows us to forward all replies to either an email or an SMS. So if you wish the replies from people to go straight to your inbox, you can simply just add your email address here. If you wish to receive an SMS with every reply, you can simply add your phone number here. So that's the option. In part 2, I'm just going to show you how it looks on a mobile phone. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call us at any time. Thanks.